Imagine you click an advertisement for an online course. The advertisement looks interesting, so you visit the website, but the page is slow. The headline is confusing. The price is hidden. There are no reviews, and the enrollment button is difficult to find. After a few seconds, you leave. Was the advertisement the problem? Probably not. The website failed to convert the visitor. In digital marketing, a website is not just an online brochure. It is a digital sales machine. Its job is to explain value, build trust, answer questions, reduce doubt, and guide visitors toward action. That action may be buying, booking, subscribing, downloading, or completing a form. There are three important parts of this system: the homepage, the landing page, and the funnel. The homepage is the main entrance to the website. It should quickly explain what the business does, who it serves, what it offers, why people should trust it, and what visitors should do next. For example, a restaurant homepage should clearly show its menu, food photos, prices, location, opening hours, reviews, and order button. A vague headline such as "Welcome to our website" provides no value. A stronger headline could say, "Late night waffles, shakes, and desserts delivered fresh until 2 a.m. The second part is the landing page. A landing page is built for one specific campaign and usually focuses on one action. For example, if a gym advertises a free trial, the advertisement should lead to a page focused only on booking that trial. The page may include the benefits, customer reviews, frequently asked questions, and one clear booking form. Landing pages reduce distractions and make decisions easier. The third part is the funnel. A funnel is the complete journey from first attention to final action. For example, someone sees an Instagram advertisement. They visit a landing page. They download a free guide. They receive follow-up emails. They watch a free lesson. Then they buy the full course. The advertisement, page, emails, and purchase process are all part of one funnel. A strong website must also include clear messaging, fast loading, simple navigation, visible pricing, strong calls to action, mobile-friendly design, and trust signals such as reviews and testimonials. A beautiful website that confuses visitors is useless. Design without conversion is only decoration. Many businesses spend money on advertisements and content, but send people to weak websites. Digital marketing brings the visitor. The website must turn that visitor into a customer. The simplest definition is this: a website becomes a digital sales machine when its homepage, landing pages, and funnels work together to explain value, build trust, reduce friction, and guide people toward action. The next topic is search intent: why people search online and how businesses can appear at the right moment.